Right now I am with a kid that he is about 8 years old, and I'm teaching him. He's kind of the one that is a bit more difficult than the other. The other are like 13 and older, like 16. He's the only youngest one, and yeah, he does his violin. Oh, I think he's coming. See you guys later. Bye.
Rapidito.
Ok, mi amor.
Bueno, bienvenido, Limar, le habla, dígame su orden, por favor.
Sí, buenas, mi amor. ¿Me puedes dar un burrito de habichuela?
¿Carne y queso?
Carne, queso y habichuela.
Ok, carne, queso y habichuelas.
Sí, mi amor.
¿Con papita o espinacho?
Con papita.
¿La bebida va a ser?
Agua.
Continúe.
The girl that is working here, she basically cannot hear anyone. Like, every time someone says something, she's like, what? What? Hello? Yeah. Okay, what you want? A what? A what? And I'm like, here, girl, please. Like, I would say this will be normal. I mean, normal, but this is the first time it ever happened to me here. So maybe the system is bad today. Maybe. I always try to give the benefit of the doubt to the employees, you know. Mira, mi amor, una pregunta. Okay, I am done. This is what I got. I want to show you guys really quickly. This is what I got. It's really like, but these fried burritos are super good. Fried burritos are good. Then I got like fries and another burrito for my mom. I do not like burritos by themselves, like just regular burritos. But the fried burritos, oh my god, they're super good. And I tried make burritos, like fried burritos once, and it was decent. Okay, I might just try my best to drive here. Oh shit, because this place is very dangerous here, so
I know that you want me to leave, but it's cool cause we're through and I'm high in the trees. I escape with a vape cause the smoke stains my teeth. Yes, I know that I probably talk in my sleep, When we kiss I awake, but I'm dreaming again. It was all fucking fake, and I'm thinking too much of the way that you taste, cause the flavor of you isn't one to replace, and I think I'm a waste.
hey guys, I was supposed to go to the academy today to record my Sunday makeup, but guys, I am so tired. I went to sleep really late yesterday. I went to sleep like at 2 in the morning, and then my alarm was like at 6:30, and then what else? I don't remember. Oh yeah, but all I know is that I am falling asleep. Oh my god, I just fell asleep for like ages. I don't know what happened to me. I need to rewatch that part. That was funny. So yeah. Well yeah guys, I'm just gonna go now because I'm freaking sleepy. And I close my eyes and I forget what I'm saying. So see you guys later. Oh my god, bye.
More time scrolling down my timeline. Wish that I could hop up in my whip and go to Five Guys. Something's gotta give when I'm sky high. I'm not something super in the Uber playing I Spy. disappear from everybody for a while, cause the air is getting thick within the radius of miles. Suicide is on my mind and I can barely even smile. I can only get it.